What is up, everyone? Welcome back to some more. Well, welcome back to some more dairy farming life. That's right, up on the upper Mississippi River Valley. Today we are heading out. We got the cattle trailer hooked up to the back of us. It's wide open, by the way. Whoops, left the door open. That happens. Why does this door open every time I open the door? Alright, we're gonna head on off the farm today. We're gonna go pick up some cows. That is the main objective. Last time you were on here, you seen us plant the fields and get all the field data in. And now we're up into June. June 1st to be exact. So now we're gonna go get some cows today. At least that's the main plan of the day, is to go get some cows. Get some cows into the farm today. And getting started on that dairy farming. Now, we do plan on getting at least 2 to 3 older cows. And the rest will be young stock, ready for next year. But that is my plan as of right now, is to get the young stock in. Been visiting with the neighbors quite a bit, being a bit known. Betsy lives over across the way from us on a little small ranch. She owns some horses. Been in the town quite a bit, trying to get to know the town some more. Been pretty good so far. Unfortunately, had a run-in with the Hofflinger family, which is not a great family of these parts of town. You don't want to really hang out with the Hofflingers. So that wasn't the funnest part, but it's there, you know. As we just head on down the road here. And, oh, what? Oh, wow. I'm pulled over, huh? 2 of them. Woo! Boy, that's a Hofflinger truck, too. I wonder what they're doing on this side of the mountain. Yeah, that's crazy. I wonder why they're... What in the world? Why is the Oh, dang. They got him, too, huh? Oh, that's the sheriff's truck, too. Why is the Hofflinger family over in my neck of the woods? They're never over in this. Why in the world would the Hofflinger family be over in my neck of the woods? That ain't good. That ain't good at all. I better call Bob. Bob will know what's gonna happen. Bob works with the Hofflingers. He's not really part of the Hofflinger family. He just works for their dairy farm. They own the biggest dairy farm in this town. They own the biggest dairy farm in this town, and they're a bunch of people. Not very friendly people either. Last few run-ins I've had with the Hofflingers, they've asked me about buying my property out, in which I always repeat that I'm not selling my property out, so. Which my brother said even before I got here, they've been trying to buy their property out. Alright, here we are at the feedlot here. Looks pretty nice. Oh, a pretty nice place, honestly. Huh. So I think we just pull around front here. Maybe this is how we do it. It'd be kind of hard to load the cattle in there. Alright, I'll bring you guys back when I get my cattle loaded. Alright, you guys. We got the cattle all up and loaded in there. We are going to stop off at Wendy's and have ourselves a lunch, because I'm starving right now. Haven't even had breakfast yet. So I'm definitely going to eat a lunch. 'Cause I'm definitely gonna 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 eat a lunch. ' It'd be great. So I guess while we're over at Wendy's, we'll call up Bob and see what Bob has to say about. See what Bob has to say about the strange whereabouts going on in this place.
The time is now 12 o'clock.
Perfect, lunchtime. See what Bob has to say about the Hofflinger family being over by us. Tell y'all, it's never a good sign to see the Hofflinger family. Especially for them to be so close to my neck of the woods when they're all the way on the other side. Has me a little worried. So, I'm gonna pull up around here and, oh god, really? Too close. Alright, I think we'll pull up here and go grab a bite to eat, and I'll call y'all, or I'll bring y'all back after I've grabbed my bite to eat and talk to Bob. I told you to meet me here, so you should meet me up here. So I'll bring you guys back after that. Alright, you guys, welcome back. So, spent some time in there talking to Bob and figuring out what was going on and why the Koflinger family is hanging out by my place. And Bob just informed me of what was going on. So they're looking at property to buy out towards my area. Which, why, I don't know. I'm so far out from their normal territory. So, that's what they're doing up there. The police did come back today, and as you can see, Mr. Kaufman is at the courthouse. Apparently, the driver of that truck, Nikki, had some trouble. He got in some trouble. So apparently they put him in the back of the cop car in handcuffs and took him off to jail. So no idea what's gonna go on there. But Nikki is currently in jail. So the only reason I know that is because Bob got a call while he was out on lunch with me about from Mr. Hofflinger, stating that Nikki had just went to jail and that he was going to be at the courthouse trying to figure it all out. So again, not a good group of people to hang out with. As you can tell, the sheriff was over here behind Mr. Hofflinger and their driver Nikki, who drives the hay truck, which is what we saw, got arrested. So I mean, obviously there's something big going on around here. I don't know what. But something big. Oh, looks like they towed off the hay truck as well. Dang. Boy, they did not play when it comes to that kind of stuff, do they? So obviously there's something big. Like, obviously this family's not a good family to hang out with. And why they're buying land out where I'm at makes no sense at all to me. Like, why? Like, why buy the land near me? There's hundreds of other land to go to. Why don't you buy land over there? But why near me? I don't know. I'm debating whether or not I should call up my brother and find out what he thinks about it all. I'm just not excited about having them out by me. Man, this is gonna suck. Plus, they know there's a rival dairy farm in town. Oh god, I'm really screwed then. Like, they don't like rivals. They want to be the only dairy farming in this town. And you know, my brother tried to do dairy farming, and the Kaufman shot him down, and so then he went into beef cattle. Beef cattle and pigs. And I came out here and I was like, oh, I'll do the dairy farming. And he told me, he said, be careful of them, because he said, man, they get a chance to, it'll be bad. I was like, dang it, man. And now here I am. They got a chance to, and it's already pretty bad. So hopefully, I'm just hoping that Maybe none of the farmers around me will sell to them. I have my eye on a few fields that I would like, that I've talked to some farmers about. So, maybe, hopefully, they'll just say that some of those fields are already taken. That's my hope, anyways. Go ahead and open up the cow barn here. We'll get the cows on in. Go ahead and open up the back door there. Oh, wrong back door. I opened up my whole back door. Why don't I want that little section open? Get them all moved over. Alright. Got all the hostings up in there. Go ahead and park the cow trailer over here where it's normally kept at. Looks like we got all the cows in, so they're going to be doing good. Go ahead and go back here and take a look. Yep, they're all in there. So we'll get them some feed and stuff down here in a little bit. Obviously, I ain't going to do it now. I'm gonna head up to the house and go talk to the brother and see what he thinks of all this stuff. I just hope it's nothing. I just hope it all kind of is nothing and no farmers will sell out to them, so. But anyways, I'll give you guys a holler back whenever I talk to my brother and find out what he thinks can happen. Alright, you guys, welcome back. A little bit later on in the day now. For me. Ooh. So, called my brother up. He said, man, wouldn't worry about it. He said, the Hoffman crew is known for scare tactics. So I said, alright, cool. So I won't worry about it. So I got a call from Betsy earlier. She said, hey, a bunch of trucks heading your way. Heads up. I said, okay. She said, I know the Hoffmans may have bought some property out that way. It looks like they did. So I was like, okay. And that's what I thought. I'm going to close my gate up. We'll park up here. And I'll show you all. I have security cameras all on my property. So as I was sitting at home, I was watching my security cameras. Basically, the Hoffman truck pulled up. A Land Pro truck pulled up, which is a commercial land clearing company, and a secondary truck of theirs pulled up with its emergency lights on, as you can see right there. And behind all that's like a side-by-side, a four-seater side-by-side, and they were up and down this field. So I have a feeling, I don't know what they're doing, but they're doing something. They're doing something that's going to cause land clearage. And my hope is they're not building either a secondary farm or a secondary farmyard over in this area, because it ain't gonna be good. It ain't gonna be good for us. Let's get the lights off here in the back shop. Man, I'm worried now. I'm really worried now. Why are they here? Why this field? I mean, this field's adjacent to me. Oh well, hopefully it's nothing big. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna close up shop for the night, head back up to the house. Our new renter James is at work right now, but he should be coming in, but he has a key to that gate over there if he needs to get in. I'm gonna head back to the house and watch my security cameras, because I don't trust that Hoffman crew being over there. I do not trust it. Not with that land clearing company and all that. I do not trust it. Isn't good, that's for sure. Isn't what I wanted. make sure that, well, the cattle are pretty close. I got security cameras on them too, so. But they're pretty close to the house. I can kind of keep an eye on them. And pull in the garage here. I ain't taking the risk, you know what I'm saying? I ain't taking it. I'll just come out on the back porch and relax for a minute. Look at this beautiful view. Oh, man, it's so gorgeous. Anyways, guys, this will be the video for today. I hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate y'all so much. And thank every single one of y'all for the support that you give us. So, till we see you again, hopefully the Hoflinger family keeps to themselves. But we'll see how it goes. I'll catch y'all later.